Hello students, myself Mr. Kiran Chinswalkar, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today we are learning the subject of workshop practice. In workshop practice, now we are in a plumbing shop. Okay, so starting from plumbing. Okay, you heard about the plumber or plumbing shop. So what is the meaning of this? So plumbing shop is related with the working with the pipes and tubes. Okay, pipes and tubes which are used in buildings or industries. Okay, so mainly pipes are used for the supply of water. For supplying water, pipes are used and also used for the drainage purpose. Okay, then the main purpose of pipe fittings. Okay, we are in a plumbing shop, so we are dealing with the pipes. So pipes are used for the various applications. And for this we are using the pipe fittings. So the main function of the pipe fittings are to join two or more pipes, okay, and for close the pipes ends. Then plumbing shop is concerned with the repairs and join the pipes which carry the fluids and gases. Okay, pipes are which are used for the carrying the fluids and gases, and these are used for the in a modern urban for the water, drainage pipe, bathrooms and toilets. Okay, these are integrated parts of the any building. Okay, then in industrial purpose, pipes are also used. Okay, so in industries, pipes are used for the carrying the compressed air, then steam, gases, oil, chemical fluids, refrigerants. These are used for the carrying the various fluid in the pipes. Then in a older age, the pipes are used as a clay is a material which are used as a material for pipes, and clay pipes are used for the sewage purpose. But nowadays, for in a water supply, we are using the GI pipes. GI pipes mean galvanized iron pipes are used. But nowadays we are using the PVC pipe. Okay, for the supply of water and the other fluid. Then we are using the plumbing hand tools. Okay, plumbing hand tools are used for the pipe cuttings, pipe threading, pipe bendings and soldering. Okay, and the tools which are used for the plumbing shop is same as a fitting shop. The tools used for the fitting shop is also used in a plumbing shop. Okay, then we are starting from our main tools. So basic tool which are used is a pipe hoist. Okay, this is a pipe hoist. You can see this is the pipe hoist. So this is made of cast iron. Okay, this is a cast iron base, this is a base, and this is a cast iron frame. Okay, and there is a two jaws where the two dies are used. This is a fixed die and this is a movable die, and with help of this handle we can rotate this die. Okay, and in between this die we hold this pipe. The pipe hold like this. Okay, pipe hold like this. We rotate in a clockwise direction. So pipe is hold in between this pipe hoist. Okay, we hold like this in a clockwise direction. Then we feed the pipe in a pipe hoist. Okay, so on the pipe we are performing the various operations. So this is a pipe hoist. Then second is called as a adjustable pipe wrench. This is the adjustable pipe wrench. This is the adjustable frame, and this is a screw. Okay, adjustable screw which are used for the clamping, hold the pipe. Okay, and for rotating the pipe we are using this adjustable pipe wrench. Okay, so this is adjustable pipe wrench we are using. Then this is the tape. Okay, for measuring purpose, measuring tape. Then this is the Teflon tape. Teflon tape for Teflon. This is the Teflon tape. Okay, this is the Teflon tape which are used for the which are used on this pipe. Okay, we are wound this tape around this threaded portion for the airtight, for getting the airtight, and for preventing leakage of water. Okay, we are using the tape on the threaded portion. Then we are using the steel rule. This is the one instrument which are used in the steel rule. Then this is the marker. Okay. Then this is the hacksaw frame. For cutting purpose, we are cutting like this. Okay, cutting like this for the equal lines. So we are using the this hacksaw frame. Then this is a die holder. This is a die holder for threading purpose. We are doing threading like this. Okay, while performing operation, we can how to use it. I will explain later. So this is a die holder, and this is a T. This is the pipe fitting. This is a T. So this is the accessories which are for joining the two or three pipes, and this is another accessory. This is the elbow which are used for the connection of two pipes. Okay, this is the T joint, T fitting, and this is the elbow fitting. Okay, and this is the oil can. We are using the oil while doing the threading operation. Okay, and this is the file. This is a file used for the filing purpose, for removing the burrs from this end. This is when we are doing the threading operation. After that, we are using the file for the removing the burrs. Okay, so these are some instruments we are using and equipment we are using for doing this plumbing shop. Okay, so these are some instruments. So now we are actually see the actual practical. Okay, so there are two practicals. There are two practicals. This is a practical number 3. Practical number 3. This is the plumbing shop. This is a T filing, T fitting. We can say T fitting, and T fitting. In T fitting, we are using the pipe. This is the pipe. Okay, this is a threaded pipe, and we are using this is the T fitting. Okay, so you can see the diagram. This is the pipe. Okay, this is the pipe, and this is the pipe, and this is the T fitting. Okay, and the pipe length is 8 inch. 8 inch meaning of 8 inch 200 mm, and this is the T fitting. Okay, so material is a GI pipe. This is a GI pipe, half inch into 8 inch. Half inch is diameter, 8 inch is length, and GI second material GI T half inch. Okay, and GI mean galvanized iron. Okay, so these two parts required for this third practical. Then this is the next practical, fourth practical. We are using practical number 4. This is a plumbing shop. This is the elbow fitting. This is the elbow, and this is the pipe. This is the 8 inch pipe. Okay, and this is the elbow. So we are using GI pipe, half inch to 8 inch, and GI elbow, half inch. Okay, so this is the pipe, and this is the elbow, and GI mean galvanized iron. So before starting the practical, this is a standard part. Okay, this is the T joint, T fitting is the standard part, and this is the elbow fitting is the standard part. We are using pipes for this. So how to threading operation is done, so I will explain here. So now we are starting our practical number 3rd and 4th. This is a combined practical. So now we are starting. So I request to Mr. Sonane sir, he will show the how to do the operations.
चालू है.
Sir, please come here and show the operation. Sonane sir and Mr. Prashant sir will explain you how to do the operations. Okay. So how to do the operations. So we are starting our practical number 3rd and 4th. First, you know what the different tools and equipments are used. So I will show the tools and equipment. First is a working table with pipe wise. Then there is a measuring tape. Then steel rule. Then file, adjustable spanner, wrenches. Okay. So first we are doing the marking. So 8 inch you have to mark. So first we are doing the marking. Okay. Then hold the pipe in a pipe wise. So sir will show the how to hold the pipe. Hold the pipe. Then insert, second step, insert the correct size die into the die stock. this is a die. Sir will show this die, and this is a die stock which is held in a die. Okay, then set the adjusting, then hold this die holder in the pipe. Set the adjusting screw. This is the adjusting screw, yellow color. This is the adjusting screw. Okay, and it is set in a clockwise direction. This is the adjusting screw which is set in a clockwise direction. In a clockwise direction. Then slide the die stock over the pipe and apply pressure with one hand. Apply pressure with one hand, and with the other hand turn the stock handle slowly clockwise until the die has taken a bite on the pipe. We can see that sir applying the pressure by the one hand, and from the other hand he rotate the die, okay, in a clockwise direction. Then apply the, you can see the threading operation. This is the threading operation. Then apply cutting oil to the die as the stock handle is given one complete clockwise turn and back of a quarter turn. Okay, we are using the oil between the threaded portion. Okay, for clockwise and anti-clockwise movement of die holder, use knob provided on a handle. Okay, for anti-clockwise direction, use the knob. Then die holder rotate in a anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is a procedure for performing the threading operation on the pipe. Then remove the die holder in an anti-clockwise direction. You can see the threaded part. Okay, this is threading operation. Then mark equivalent of pipe is done already. Then we can see the threaded portion. Then use the pipe fitting on the pipe. Okay, pipe fitting on the pipe. Use T-joint, T-fitting. Actually, this is a T-joint. We are using first the T-joint. So before join the T-joint on the this pipe, use the Teflon tape for the airtight. For the purpose of airtight, you use the Teflon. Okay, so we already cut the pieces 8 inch. So with hello T-joint is placed on the threaded portion. Okay, T-joint is placed like this, and with our adjustable pipe wrench. Okay, adjustable pipe wrench used like this. I already tell that how to use it. So this adjustable pipe wrench is used for the fitting this T fitting on the pipe. Okay, so for move slowly over this threading. Okay, so this is a T-joint fitting on the threaded pipe. Okay, so this is our third practical. Same procedure follow for the elbow. Okay, so elbow, we can see that same procedure follow for the elbow. Elbow is also placed like this. After that, do the filing on the end of the pipe. Okay, do the filing on the end of the pipe for remove burrs from the threaded portion. Okay, so this is the filing operation. Filing is also done in a voice, bench voice. Sir will show how to do the filing with a rough file or bastard file. We are doing the filing. Filing is done for removing the burrs from the end. So this is the end of our practical number 3rd and 4th, and this is our job. Okay, and after doing job, you want the tape, white tape on your job, and write down your name or enrollment number, roll number, your badge, okay, branch on this, and this is the done of our practical number 3rd and 4th, T-joint and elbow joint. So before doing this operation, you take the note that while doing threading, use oil at the threaded portion. Okay, when you are doing threading, use oil on the threaded portion. And second is apply proper pressure while holding the pipe in the pipe voice. Okay, so this is a end of our practical number 3rd and 4th. Okay, thank you.